If you're trying to get web design clients and everyone keeps telling you, pick a niche first, build a portfolio, or run ads, this video will clear everything up for you. You don't need experience, you don't need testimonials, and you don't need to lock yourself in a niche forever. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get web design clients in any niche, even if you're starting from zero. This is the exact approach I would use if I had no clients, no audience, and limited money. Now, this works if you're young and early in your career, working a job or studying, trying to build something on the side, and is serious about making money online and not just learning the theory. If that's you, this system fits your reality. So step one is going to be stop picking a niche first. And here's the truth. You don't need a niche to get clients. You need clients to find your niche. Most beginners get stuck trying to find a perfect niche and never take action. Instead, I'd start niche agnostic. And let me explain what that means. Any local business, any service business, any business with a bad or missing website, your first goal should be traction, not specialization. Now, step two is going to be finding clients. And I'm going to show you how to find clients in any niche. And don't worry, you don't need a fancy lead gen system. I'd use these three places here: Google Maps, Facebook business pages, Instagram business profiles, and I search the following: roofers near me, landscapers near me, dentists near me, and med spas near me. And I look for the businesses with no website, an outdated website, no booking system, no clear call to actions. These businesses already want more customers, they just don't know how to fix it. And here's going to be the messaging sequence that I want you to follow. Have an opening question, confirm interest, value proposition, which is you already made a video and I will talk about that. You make the video, drop the video, wait for them to view the video, and ask for an appointment. It's literally that simple. Cold DMs and emails get ignored because they feel generic. So I wouldn't pitch. Instead, I would send a short Loom video and I'd say something around these lines: hey John, I was looking into your website and I noticed it doesn't really turn visitors into leads. So I went ahead and rebuilt you a quick preview showing you what it could look like and how it could get you more calls. No pressure at all, just wanted to show you what it would look like. Now, this message works in every niche because it's personalized and it shows value up front and it removes sales pressure. Now, make sure you at least send 10 of these a day. Consistency beats confidence. And a quick bonus, let me show you some actual examples of what this looks like. So for example, I found this business. It had no website. So I went ahead and said, hello, is this a number 4 so-and-so company? Yes. Hey, great afternoon. I saw it and their website is currently down. And I wanted to go and show you what a professional website could look like to show your services for your clients. I went ahead and made you the front page to show you how it would look. Looks nice, and he even added the money sign. So that's how you know we're in the zone. We offer different prices depending on the amount of pages and what you would want to get done. So and so, are you available tomorrow? Sure, after 10 a.m. So now this follows the same, you drop the video, make sure they watch the video, then, you ask for an appointment. So I told him, perfect, how does 11 a.m. sound? From there, we got on a call and it was an easy sell because he already seen what it would look like. We delivered the product up front. Now that's going to bring us to step 4, which is dropping a simple offer that closes. And don't worry, you don't need complicated pricing. Keep things simple. And remember this: simple scales, fancy fail. So on this offer, I would keep it simple: no upfront cost, monthly subscription, and include website plus hosting plus updates. And keep it around the price point of $99 to $297 per month. This feels risk-free to business owners and is easy to say yes to. You're not selling a website, you're selling peace of mind. Now, step 5 is going to be the closing. And here, I'm going to show you how to close clients without sales skills. Don't worry. When you get on the call, just ask simple questions. You want to listen more than you talk. Look at the desired outcome. What kind of jobs or clients do they want more of? How do people currently contact them, or how do they currently get leads or work? And are they currently happy with the amount of work that they get or leads that they get currently? Once you find that out and find out that they're unhappy and they're willing to take on more work or more leads, just close it off like this: I can rebuild this so that it actually brings you leads. We'll start off month to month with no upfront cost, so it's risk free for you. And that's it. You don't need to convince them. They just need to have clarity of what they're getting. Now, step 6 is going to be basically niching down, and I'm going to show you how to turn any niche into a long-lasting business. Once you sign 3 to 5 clients, patterns start showing up. You'll notice one niche responds faster, one niche pays easier, one niche is easier to fulfill, and that's when you niche down. Let the market decide for you. And that's what I personally did. I was working with about 3 to 4 different niches when I first started, and so I noticed one that was just the easiest for me. I sold the best, they paid the best, it was just the best. And that's how you let the market decide for you. Just narrow it down and you'll start seeing the pattern. Now, to be fully transparent and realistic with you, this isn't instant success, but it's predictable if you reach out daily, send personalized Loom, and just keep the offer simple. And the truth is, you can land your first web design clients in weeks, not years. Now, if everything in this video makes sense for you, in the description, I'm going to leave the link to a free training. In that training, I'm going to break down exactly how to go from 0 to 10K per month using the WAAS model, step by step, no guesswork. Inside of the same training, you'll also have an opportunity to book a one-on-one call with me where I can personally help you map out your path and mentor you directly. But make sure you watch the pinned video first. And I'll see you again next week on this channel.